How to reset WordPress website. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can reset your WordPress website without actually starting from the scratch. So let's get started. Now I will show you how to reset your password, how to reset your themes, how you can reset different elements of your website really easily, the easiest way out there. So what you have to do is open up your WordPress dashboard. This is the dashboard for my test website. Now you have to just scroll down and go to your plugins right here. Go to plugin and then go to add new. Now what we need to do is we need to add a plugin that will help us to reset our WordPress website. So here in add plugins, you have to search for WP Reset. This is the plugin right here, WP Reset, and it allows us to reset our entire site or selected part using advanced reset option. So once you select it, you can see it has more than 400,000 active installation. Click on install and then click on activate. Once you do that, then it will be added to your website. Now you have to go to tools, and in tools you will get W Reset. This option is not available, but once you download the plugin, then you will find this option. So open it up. And now we can reset our WordPress website. I can reset media, comments, post, user, widgets, site language, plugins, plugin files, themes, custom folders, and password using WP Reset. So this is how you can reset your WordPress website really easily. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.